Hey, want to learn how I got this rubber strap on this GMW BZ5000 without the gap? No gap. Stay tuned. Keep watching. All right, I got a mess over here. Welcome to the past. At the beginning of the video, I have an original straps, but I have these aluminum adapters. As you can see here, I have stainless steel pipes, and I can't get the original rod here to go through because it doesn't align properly. Only one time I've got it to go halfway. Other than that, it doesn't go. And it took me over an hour to cut these without cutting my fingers. So cutting up original stainless steel, no go, not a good idea. Now, cutting up these aluminum, I'll leave you a link for this. Super easy to cut, super easy. You can see it doesn't, even if you pull it, you don't get the gap. Even with the aftermarket, this is an aftermarket, it doesn't say G-Shock here, like this one, the difference. So it even works on the aftermarket. Let me remove the rod. It works on the aftermarket straps, right? But let's get that out of there. And they fit better on the aftermarket, because the aftermarket have a like a smaller hole, so they fit a little bit tighter. You can see it doesn't want to come out. So no glue. Now, on the metal adapters, this is still a no-go. You can see it fits perfect. And it does fit a little bit tight, but not tight enough. Put it here. You see how easy the rod goes in, but you still got the gap. So these aftermarket adapters, the tolerance here at the bottom, it's different, so they don't work as good like the rubber straps, but it is an option. Before I go, if you must use one of these adapters, what do you think about this? I mean, I think that's an acceptable tolerance. What I do? Oh boy. Where's my screwdriver? Oh, and by the way, 1.5 is the screwdriver that you need also for these screws if you don't want to strip them. Previous video I was using one of those cheap ones, but having these, but you know, 1.5. Remember what I showed you before? The big blobs of hot glue? I sliced. Oh, I gotta take off the rod. I sliced 2 little pieces. The phone is still falling. See them? I sliced 2 little pieces and I placed them here. I don't want to stay now. Right here. That was the little trick. So, thank you for watching. Peace out.